Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ag1 versus Live It Up, two popular greens powders. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which one might be a better fit for your health goals. Both products promise to boost your daily nutrition, but they approach it with slightly different formulations and ingredient philosophies. Let's dive into what makes each of them unique and effective. When we look at the ingredients, Ag1 boasts a very extensive list, including a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and adaptogens, all designed to cover many nutritional bases. Live It Up, on the other hand, focuses on a curated selection of organic superfoods, digestive enzymes, and probiotics. While both aim for similar benefits like improved digestion and energy, their ingredient profiles offer distinct approaches to achieving these outcomes. Now, let's talk about the cost, which is often a significant factor. Ag1 comes in at a higher price point, usually around $99 for a month's supply, making each serving about $3.30. Live It Up is more budget-friendly, typically costing $59.99 for 30 servings or $2 per serving. Your choice might depend on your budget and the specific value you place on each product's unique formulation. So, which one is better for you? If you're looking for a very comprehensive, all-in-one daily foundational supplement with a vast array of nutrients, Ag1 might be your choice. However, if you prioritize organic ingredients, a slightly simpler formula, and a more accessible price point, Live It Up could be a great fit. Ultimately, both are excellent options for boosting your daily nutrition. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.